Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix accidentally exiting a notebook in Goodnotes in 2026. Now, have you accidentally exited a notebook and lost your place? Don't worry, getting back is easy and here's exactly what you do. Now, before we start, here's a quick guide on how to download and install the Goodnotes application. You're just gonna head to the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using. Then you're gonna search for the Goodnotes application. Once you find it, you're gonna make sure to click on install, and once the installation is complete, you're gonna launch the app and then log in with your account. Once you log in, you're gonna create your notes here. Now, the good notes always save your notebook before exiting, automatically saves the notebook. But if you lost your progress, you might want to try to open the good notes, then go to your recent documentary or library. We're gonna go to documents here, and then you're gonna see the documents you edited last. As you can see, they're gonna be sorted by date, and the date will be displayed under the notebook, so you're gonna check that. So you're gonna find the documents you were using. You're gonna open it again. Then GoodNotes usually saves your last position. If not, use bookmarks or search to find your page. Now, you're gonna click on the document and wait for it to be displayed. And then you can use the bookmarks and use the bookmark feature. Now, bookmark important pages and use search to navigate quickly, and also avoid closing accidentally by using read mode. Now, exiting a notebook isn't a problem. Your work is still saved. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.